Long ago, in ancient China, the peacocks ruled over Gongmen City. They brought great joy and prosperity to the city, for they had invented fireworks. But their son, Lord Shen, saw darker power in the fireworks. What had brought color and joy could also bring darkness and destruction. Shen's troubled parents consulted a soothsayer. She foretold that if Shen continued down this dark path, he would be defeated by a warrior of black and white. The young lord set out to change his fate, but what he did next only sealed it. Shen returned to his parents full of pride, but in their faces, he saw only horror. He was banished from the city forever, but Shen swore revenge. Someday, he would return, and all of China would bow at his feet.
It's almost done, Lord Shen, but we've run out of metal.
Search the farthest villages. Find more metal. China will be mine.
And then the Dragon Warrior joined the Furious Five. And they became the most awesomest Kung Fu team ever. Enough talk. Let's fight. Listen, you can hear the Dragon Warrior training right now.
33! Stop him! He's too dangerous!
35. Stay focused.
37.
How is he doing that with his face?
38-1!
Yes! New record! You monster!
Keep going! Hit 40!
Never hit 40!
You got it, 40. But that's a 40.
Do it.
No problem.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Well done, folks!
Your training has paid off.
Oh, Master Shifu, gotta go. See you later! Woo-hoo, yeah! You'll save those for me, right?